Hey everybody, this is Craig, and this is Truly Remarkable Life. Today we are ripping down a shed. Ha ha ha.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny.
Okay, so this is like 3 projects in one. We had this little shed out back, this little metal, the little metal sheds that everybody has. Well, this one's kind of old. It got damaged. It's falling apart and leaks really bad. And so we've gotten a new shed, just one of those plastic ones. So right now what I've done is I've emptied the shed out into this tent, and I'm going to wrap it in a tarp for a couple of days. Took anything of value inside, and I am tearing down a shed. So this is how far I've gotten so far. This thing's got more screws in it than I could make a joke right now, but I'm not. So on top of all of this, you see this? That's actually a gazebo that we had at the other house. And now I have to take it down. I had to take it out of the shed and now put it together. So I've got a circus tent, a lean-to, and toothpicks. Oh, did I mention that we had a tree cut down last spring and the wood is still here and we have to move and chop all of that up? Yeah. So I started to unscrew this thing. It has all these little tiny screws you can see along there. Well, I finally just got the crowbar and started prying them off. This thing's going to the scrapyard anyway, so I'm going to try to just get it to fall down so I can disassemble the top and see where we can go from there. So, wish me luck. It's cold out here and I'm sweating my butt off. So time to get to pulling some metal, so we're going to use the glove. Let's see if I can get the moment I injure myself. So, shed's down. I'm whooped. I'm gonna sleep well tonight. We bought a smaller shed because the pad that we have wouldn't fit the one that we originally wanted, so we got the next size down. And I just realized that there's a foot more concrete that's been grown over by grass. So we could have got the bigger one, but maybe the lesson here is that we keep it small. So I'm trying to dig the grass out so that at least we can see what we're working with. Look at that.
It's crazy.
So, okay, we're done.
For now.
For today. Now, tomorrow, we get to go build the shed. Fortunately, it's pre-assembled, or it's
It comes in
it's
boxes.
a paint by number.
It comes in boxes with instructions.
I think I need a beer. I deserve one.